Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two replacement blades for your electric shaver. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. And in the right corner, we have the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads. Get ready for some shaving showdown, folks. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come in at $34, while the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads are a steal at just $16. That's quite a price difference. Now, let's talk about durability. The OneBlade replacement blades claim to last up to 12 months with 3 blades included. That's a lot of shaving power. On the other hand, the Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads come with 6 replacement heads, but they recommend replacing them every 12 months for optimal performance, so it's a tie in terms of durability. When it comes to performance, both products have their own unique features. The OneBlade replacement blades from Philips Norelco are designed to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Plus, they have a glide coating and rounded tips that protect your skin, ensuring a comfortable shave. On the other hand, the Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads boast a 360-degree design that removes your beard gently and painlessly. They also have a comfort cut blade system with rounded profile heads for a protective shave. So, it's a tough call in terms of performance. Now let's talk about versatility. The OneBlade replacement blades can be used dry or wet with foam, and they are even shower-friendly, so you can get your shaving done wherever and however you prefer. The Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads, on the other hand, are suitable for various Philips Norelco shaver models. They are compatible with the Series 3000, 2000, and 1000 shavers, as well as the S738, S1211, and S1560 click and style models. So, if you have one of those shavers, these replacement heads are perfect for you. Last but not least, let's talk about special offers. The OneBlade replacement blades offer a subscribe and save option, allowing you to save up to 15% on your replacement blades. That's a great deal for regular shavers. Meanwhile, the Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads may not have a specific special offer, but at just $16 for 6 replacement heads, they are already a fantastic value for your money. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are praised for their longevity, ease of replacement, and performance. They are durable, cost-effective, and provide a smooth and close shave. Highly recommended for Philips Norelco OneBlade users. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads are considered affordable, easy to use, and perform well. They may not be as sharp as the original brand, but are still worth the price. Some users experience discomfort and pulling of the beard. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads. Both products have their own strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.